What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to Sand Hollow.
These days they put my song into a playlist. Feels like every single night I'm on vacation. Hit the store and cop a bottle, then I face it. Skip the line at every club, they probably think we famous. Woke up with the baddie, bro, I swear she stupid dick. That girl call me daddy, but I swear she ain't my kid. Whipping in the caddy, Gucci purse up on her hip. She fly me to Miami just to party on the strip.
About to go pick up the boys right now, load up the trailer, and then we're heading out. Got a text this morning that Fu did not wake up, so we might be a little late. But yeah, super excited, never been there before. We've always wanted to go here, but we never planned a trip here. And we just noticed it was only 20 minutes away from St. George, which is where we usually go. Yeah, we might as well send it during this quarantine. What better way to do quarantine and social distancing than go camping with a couple of your buddies. Just made it to Grant's house. About to get the trailer. I parked it back there last night. Fu just barely woke up and it's like 8:15. So he's 15 minutes late. You excited?
Yeah, just want to go out of town. Ah! My booty hole's not ready.
He doesn't have a camera anymore, so he does a vlog.
Yeah, sold it.
Yeah, it's gone. But it's my baby. About to load this baby up. Where we at?
We at Sand Hollow.
Oh yeah. Just got the whole campground set up. Found this nice little cove here, right here. We can't pull in here because it's all muddy and then we get stuck. Hey, you like this place?
Beautiful.
Oh, my man's already fishing, dude.
Been here 5 minutes.
First time here in this place is beautiful. Just got the whole trailer set up. Microwaves. Can't forget the Henny. And yeah, we're all done. Wow. Just came back from bass fishing and somebody hooked up into a pretty good bass.
Oh yeah, I hooked him way good.
Let's see it.
This is my PB, honestly. Like, it might not feel like much, but
That's a good fish,
what's up? You're still on the top bet.
dude. That's a good fish.
2, 3. That's a nice bass. You got a nice ass bass. Just, dude, this is straight up my best. I'm so happy right now. That is nice.
They caught 3 after like an hour and a half. And so we let the 17-inch go, and Kevin just caught a 16 and a half, which is one right here in the middle. Fuck, I'm scared of fishes. So we're gonna let them go right now after a couple pictures.
What's up? Good morning. Huh?
What are we doing?
Oh, we went fishing. Fishing for some bass. And maybe crappie. We'll see. We will see.
How you like the lake so far?
It's pretty cool.
Decent.
Yeah. It's kind of actually over like packed, or us barely coming out.
Stop. Run. How you sleep last night?
Huh?
How you sleep last night?
Slept like a baby.
Last night was like 30-mile-per-hour winds.
Yeah.
And we got really drunk, and yeah, that's why I really didn't feel nothing. We killed 2 Hennessy bottles.
2, bro.
So everyone today is a little
I just see 2.
kind of fucked up. Just finished editing some pictures in Lightroom. About to go out and go fishing right now. I might take you guys with me just so you guys can see how we've been fishing. It's crazy and I want to catch it on film. So pretty beat. I'm really burnt and got 2 more days left. So I'm gonna make the best of it, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go film and show you guys how we've been fishing this whole trip. That's what we've been doing. Scared to drop my camera. Yep, we're just walking in here, no waiters or anything. Kind of cold right now, but trying to capture everything the best way I can. Crazy. Just right off from the trailer. Kind of spooky walking in here by myself. I'm meeting up with Somi and Grant right now. Well, the bass are bedded right now, so we are just finding their beds and then just going in. There's one right there. Oh, damn, they're all over here now. Let's meet up with the boys. We really could see through the water, so we're just looking for their beds. And then right when you find them, you just go after them. It's crazy fishing.
It's insane.
Only caught one so far?
Yeah, I caught one over here by the bush. It was just about like 12 inches, kind of small.
And then we've been throwing at all these bushes right here. Like just dropping it in and just digging up and down. They've just been slaying it. I caught my personal best yesterday.
Thing was huge.
Right there. You see it?
Yeah, hold on, I'm not ready. Where at?
He ran that way.
No, he spooked. In front of you, guy. Right here.
Oh,
By
right
this
here.
tree. Oh, he's coming back to you. He's coming back to you.
Oh, right in front of you, Somi. Just drop it down. He's coming towards me. He's right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's right here somewhere. He went back. You lost a big one?
Yeah. So sad, dude. So sad.
They're after this like 5-pounder all day. Grant hooked it, lost it. Somi hooked it, lost it again.
Dude, that's gonna be my PB right there.
He had a nice one.
Yeah. This one's better for sure. Found a decent one.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm trying to get it.
It's gone?
No, I know where it's at.
See?
Yeah,
This is my first time ever bass fishing, so.
oh, you see him right here?
Oh yeah.
He's been circling. Yeah. I'm just trying to get it in his spot where I know he'll go to.
There's one staring right at Somi right now. Come on, Somi. Get it closer.
No, he's coming for it. He's coming for it.
He's going for it. He's going for it.
Got it.
Attaboy! Just like that. That's so sick, dude.
Oh, I need to loosen my drag.
That's so sick.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's actually not bad. Nice looking fish. He was staring at it way hard. I had to just
Dude,
lure
I
him
don't know
in.
if I could get that. I was like, oh, that's a nice fish.
There's another one over there too. He didn't want my bait though. No, he didn't want it originally. I spooked him. Yeah. So you don't ever throw it right in front of him, but throw it where they can see it and make it twitch. Just don't bring it up all the way. There's one over in this bush over here. Alright, catch and release, boys. You know what's crazy? I thought he was gonna slurp it from the tail.
Yeah.
He went straight for the head.
Dude, I don't know if I got it on camera, but it was like crystal clear from like our point of view. And that was pretty sick. That's what we've been doing for the last 2 days. Got it. Yes. I've been fighting this fish all day. So beautiful. So beautiful. Goodbye, little buddy. That was fucking awesome. I'm gonna go and get a new battery for the camera because you guys are at 1% right now, so hurry, go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna go look for more while I'm in here. So sick. I can't really give you guys a tour of camp yet. We got the RV, got the truck. We were gonna pull all the way in here and camp right by the beach, but a lot of water over here. I guess it's dried up a little bit, but yeah. I'd have to pull all the way through there. And I don't want to get stuck, so this is our own fire pit and stuff we have over here. Yeah, away from the trailer, which is nice. And it's a good little spot. No one else can be around here, so yeah, because this road, there's nowhere else you can camp over here. If that was probably dry, I would have pulled the trailer in here, but I really don't want to get stuck, so.